Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys. I'm talking about generation year 2009 to year 2015, and if you're trying to find guys the fuse for the rear view mirror that's dimming on itself, it's automatic rear view mirror, stay with us, we'll explain where to find that fuse. It's a little bit hidden, so we'll explain how to find it, how to test it, all that. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you guys, if you need to buy any parts or tools, fuses, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. And what's the plan? The plan is to make at least 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be published on the channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live. In addition, we'll have more than 300 guys videos about mechanical problems, about fixing the engine, bumpers, headlights, anything you can think of guys, mechanical related, and that will be published on our main YouTube channel, How to Repair guys. Check it out. We have helped more than 100 million people guys on that channel, so definitely very helpful information. So if you have a Sonata with an automatic rear view dimming mirror guys, we'll explain how to find that fuse. You need to come right here, you need to open that fuse box, one notch here, one here, squish, pull up, and it comes out. Now let's go ahead, get that fuse pulled, we will need it for inside. We need to come here guys, and next you need to go, I'm talking about mirror right there. You need to come to, right here, you can see, and that's the fuse box that we need to open. Perfect, just like that. What we're looking for now, if you come right here, let us show you now. You need to find the fifth row of fuses. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 row, and the fuse that you need to check, is that 7.5 amp fuse right here. 7.5 fuse, it's known as module 2 fuse. Now how you guys pull it out? Pretty simple, grab that fuse and pull it out. Came out like that. Now that's when things get interesting. Never assume that the fuse is good if you cannot clearly see the element inside. Sometimes you can see it and it's still a bad fuse. So what I would recommend, always test these fuses guys. We have a video that explains how to simply test it in a few seconds, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Once you test the fuse, you will know for sure if that's the problem for your car, that's the fuse that's causing that problem. So always check it, because if you think you have a good fuse but actually it's a bad fuse, what will happen at that point guys, you will keep putting more time and money in your car, which is not necessary guys, when you could have avoided that. Also, if you need to buy replacement fuse, I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.